Because this is a new process, we have everything mapped out on the walls, so it's easy for the employees to find what they are looking for. This is our freezer. Everything is in bins. And it's all labeled. I'm not gonna go deeper in there because it's cold. Okay. But yeah. And then this is our fridge, and the same thing goes in here. Everything's labeled in their proper bins. All the lunch meat, and then these are our carts. That's a separate process. Doesn't really have to do with the KanBan system, but each cart is the prep for that day. And yeah, so all our produce are in bins. Works very nicely. Sorry about my camera skills. Thank you.